How to use ChatGPT for writing assistance and content generation. Hi friends, welcome to our channel. So in this video we are going to see how you can use ChatGPT for writing purpose and content creation. So as you can see, we have opened a ChatGPT. Simply you will log in from your browser and then you will be there. You can see it has a search bar and you can put your statement here and then you can search from here. As you know, ChatGPT is an writing assistant tool. You can use it to write scripts, proposals, resume, cover letter, articles, essays, anything else. So for example, we give a statement to ChatGPT, write a short article on this topic, how to make money online in 2023. So we asked ChatGPT to write a short article on this topic. So you can see title, exploring lucrative avenues how to make money online in 2023. So even ChatGPT has suggested a title for us, and then here is an introduction, and then you can see points below: e-commerce and dropshipping, affiliate marketing. So here is a short article and then you can use it to write resume, cover letter, anything else. You can use prompts for better response. What are prompts? We have created another video on this topic. We will put link on I button, you can see over there. So for example, we give a statement to write a short essay on benefits of hobbies. So we are given a statement. Let's see what happened. So it has generated a title, the many benefits of hobbies. As you can see, it is generating an amazing response for us. So you can get any type of writing assistance through ChatGPT. So how did you like the video? Tell us in the comments. If you want more content like this one, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Bye.